So finally, big opportunity is out. First source just announced a big mass opportunity, and not one more, two direct test opportunity in this video. I am going to tell you, not two, three direct test opportunity in this video. I am going to tell you. So watch video till end because there is not written any criteria. So what type of opportunity is this? You have to first understand this is customer service role is open for first source company. BA, BBA, BCA and BCom stream is eligible. If you see Hyderabad location is a, don't worry, tech non-tech both is eligible in this video. Means different opportunities for different IT or non-IT students. ठीक है. So Hyderabad location is there. HR interview is there first, then skill based assessment, then operation discussion, then US shift is there. मतलब तीन ही राउंड है इसमें और ज्यादा नहीं है. So what you have to do, just put that domain in which you can get the shortlisting mail. Like you have to first click on this link, you will redirect to this page. First of all thing, keep in mind this is not a long term opportunity. This is a short time urgent hiring, very soon this is closing. This is customer service associate role, voice role, first source. You have to fill the form, full name of the college, city, qualification, graduation, fresher, experienced, both is eligible, and click on like 5 पे click करोगे ज़्यादा better रहेगा, and submit it as soon as possible. Current location, if you are in Hyderabad currently, please write only Hyderabad or else राइट योर सिटी नेम. मतलब सारे एलिजिबल हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बस तुमको वहाँ पे अपना सिटी और स्टेट का नेम देना है. फिल दिस फॉर्म एज सून एज पॉसिबल. दिस इज वेरी अर्जेंट हायरिंग एंड एज यू कैन सी दैट this is coming from first source. All graduate is eligible plus fresher plus experienced candidate is eligible. So moving forward, emphasis just announced direct test opportunity, not direct test, no shortlisting, no test opportunity. This is direct interview on these date. This is ongoing. ठीक है, आज था यहाँ पे, अब 6th को है, 9th 12th को सब कुछ होने वाला है. 10 to 1 PM till 26th Feb is your direct interview. You have to click on this link. These are the document you have to take with yourself while you are going for an interview. Hard copy of the latest resume plus government ID proof, any government ID proof. This is the Trini Transaction Processing Officer apprenticeship, Pune walk-in drive, biggest walk-in drive ever is going on. So what you have to do, click on this link. You will redirect to this page. Just fill this form as soon as possible. That's it. और यहाँ पे एक चीज़ का और ध्यान रखना है, you have to send the updated resume to these HR's email and please send it. And one more thing that you have to keep in mind, that you have to fill this form also and be prepared for your good communication, capital marketing, basic typing skill. That's it. This is very low level of वर्क दे विल आस्किंग फ्रॉम यू और रिक्वायर्ड skill भी बहुत बेसिक लेवल की है. फिल दिस फॉर्म एज सून एज पॉसिबल. दिस इज द थिंग यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. बीकॉम, बीबीए, बीए और बीटेक इज नॉट एलिजिबल, डिप्लोमा इज नॉट एलिजिबल, बीकॉम, बीबीए एंड बीबीएम is eligible basically. Year of passing 21 up to 25 batches eligible. That's why I told you put all your domain resume which is written here, which is very compulsory. MS Excel, MS Word is compulsory and good communication is compulsory. Bank office operation इसका नॉलेज होना चाहिए. फाइनेंस नॉलेज, कैपिटल मार्केट, इन्वेस्टिंग, बैंक नॉलेज, बेसिक, ओनली बेसिक is required because all graduate plus fresher is eligible. So please apply it as soon as possible. Don't miss this hiring. One direct test opportunity announced, Analytical Vidya data scientist hiring test. Only 1 day is left because tomorrow is the deadline tomorrow will be the deadline closing. So data scientist Gurugram location is there. 25 MCQ is there, 23 Jan and the last date is 4th. Already told you. Attend this. This is actually live and you can see that a number of participants individually already 6,000 plus registration is done. What we are looking for: Python, Pandas, data processing, machine learning and data driving. That's it. Data scientist role is there. Gurugram on-site location is there. This is the test format and timeline. Fill this form, means click on register now. Complete your live assessment because assessment is live and then there is interview opportunity. Fill this form as soon as possible. One more hiring coming from again Analytical Vidya, but if you see here that this is from Analytical Vidya only, ठीक है, but this is from IQI GAI AI Fellowship Challenge है ये, जो कि मिक्स करके यहाँ पे AI Analytical Vidya ने अनाउंस किया. और यहाँ पे अगर देखोगे 20 जनवरी to 8th March is your deadline and if you see 20 lakh in the total reward, 5 lakh 2 lakh top 3 winner and 4 to 1000 वालों को यहाँ पे भी कैश प्राइज मिलेगा. But the criteria is Gen AI developer, AI ML engineers is eligible, data scientist, data engineer, analytics role is there, 2+ year of experience is required. फर्स्ट राउंड 1 गो लाइव ऑन 20 जनवरी, जो कि लाइव है अभी. अगर तुम क्लिक करोगे तो अभी तुम असेसमेंट दे सकते हो. राउंड 2 स्टार्ट आफ्टर राउंड 1 एंड ऑन Feb 27. Winner of round 2 will access direct interview with Fractal Analyticals Factor Analytics and get a visibility from top AI recruiter in India. So this is good opportunity and big opportunity. Overall concept date 20th to 8th January, 20th January, 27th January is your round 1 will be live, जो कि अभी भी live है. You can easily register and after registering you can easily give your live assessment. So this is 28th to 8th March is your round 2. So don't worry, first complete your first round and please fill this form as soon as possible. Next direct test opportunity coming from Stealth Startup. 26 batches eligible. There's 50 junior entry level AI ML engineer folks with 0 to 3 year of professional ML engineering. If you see assessment test following will be added back. ये रीड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बेसिकली आई वांट टू टेल यू बहुत सारा लिखा है, रीड मत करो. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस लिंक, यू विल रिडायरेक्ट टू दिस पेज. हियर यू हैव टू फिल दिस फॉर्म एज सून एज पॉसिबल. एंट्री लेवल इज एलिजिबल. कंप्लीट दिस क्वेश्चन, टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम ChatGPT एंड कंप्लीट द डायरेक्ट टेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी. दिस इज बिग हायरिंग, ठीक है. 45 मिनट ऑफ द टेस्ट टाइमिंग इज देयर. दिस टाइप ऑफ डोमेन इज रिक्वायर्ड. रिमोट प्लस अपॉर्चुनिटी है, प्लस मतलब ये रिमोट ही अपॉर्चुनिटी है, लोकेशन नहीं है. बट ऑल दैट डोमेन विच इज रिटन हियर, लाइक व्हाट यू विल डू, दीज आर योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, दीज आर रिक्वायर्ड स्किल्स. सो प्लीज पुट ऑल दीज डोमेन इन रेज्यूमे, अदरवाइज यू विल रेग्रेट लेटर. ठीक है, बहुत बड़ी हायरिंग है. डायरेक्ट टेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी 45 मिनट टेस्ट का ड्यूरेशन होने वाला है, तो मिस मत करो. एंट्री लेवल की है तो फिल करो जितनी जल्दी हो सकता है. एंड प्लीज़ पहले अपडेट कर लेना रेज्यूमे, देन फिल दिस फॉर्म एज सून एज पॉसिबल. What I told you, 1 direct test opportunity, 2 direct test opportunity, 3 direct test opportunity, and emphasis mega direct interview opportunity with no assessment and no shortlisting is there. And first source is also announced official hiring for non-tech students. Fill these forms and comment down if you want another opportunity, means for a particular batch, degree or for कौन सा role चाहिए तुम्हें specifically. तो comment करो and like this video to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.